Solved example. A number sentence is a sentence that is made up of numbers that are separated by operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are examples of number sentences. Number sentence using addition. 44 plus 19 equals 63. Number sentence using subtraction. 25 minus 17 equals 8. Number sentence using multiplication. 17 times 10 equals 170. Number sentence using division. 300 divided by 30 equals 10. Remember the following properties. Commutative means that the order of the numbers can be changed without changing the result. Distributive means that the result of multiplying a number by the sum of two or more numbers is the same as the result of multiplying each number. Associative means that the grouping of the numbers can be changed without changing the result. Bapiwe sells 12 muffins at her school's entrepreneurs market for 6 rand each. The children buy all of her muffins. How much does she bring home? Let us write the number sentence that describes the situation. Multiply 6 rand by 12. Let us leave out the units in the calculation and only include them in the answer. This is to make the calculation easier. 12 times 6 equals question mark. Question mark is the answer that we are calculating. 12 times 6 equals 72 rand. She brought 72 rand home. Use the commutative, distributive, and associative properties of whole numbers to calculate how much Bapiwe brought home. Commutative property. Because multiplication is commutative, that is, you can change the order of the numbers that you are multiplying and still get the same answer, we can either multiply 12 by 6 or 6 by 12. Associative property. Multiplying 12 by 6 or 6 by 12 may be a bit difficult. Remember that multiplication is associative. This means that when multiplying numbers, changing the way you group them does not affect the answer. Find 2 factor pairs of 12. Then change the grouping of the numbers in the number sentence to make it easier to calculate. Calculate what is inside the brackets first. 6 times 12 equals 72 rand. Distributive property. You can also use the distributive property of multiplication over addition to make your calculation easier. Remember that multiplication is distributive over addition. This means that the result of multiplying a number by the sum of numbers is the same as the result of multiplying each number separately. It cost Bapiwe 40 rand to make the muffins. How much profit did she make? Subtract 40 rand from the money that she made from selling. 72 minus 40 equals 32 rand. You can check your answer by adding 40 to 32. 32 plus 40 equals 72 rand. Use the commutative, associative, and distributive properties of addition to check your answer above. Remember that addition is commutative. This means that you can change the order of the numbers that you are adding and still get the same answer. 32 plus 40 equals 40 plus 32. Remember that addition is associative. This means that you can change the grouping of the numbers that you are adding and still get the same answer. 32 plus 40. 32 equals 20 plus 12 equals, open brackets, 20 plus 12, close brackets, plus 40 equals 20 plus, open brackets, 12 plus 40, close brackets, equals 20 plus 52 equals 72 rand. Remember that multiplication is distributive over addition. This means that the result of multiplying a number by the sum of numbers is the same as the result of multiplying each number separately. Let us find a factor of 32 and 40 and then distribute it over, open brackets, 8 plus 10, close brackets, equals 4 times, open brackets, 8 plus 10, close brackets, equals, open brackets, 4 times 8, close brackets, plus, open brackets, 4 times 10, close brackets. Then calculate what is in the brackets first. Equals 72 rand. If Bapiwe brings home 144 rand, how many muffins did she sell? Remember that she makes 72 Rand from selling 12 muffins. She sells each muffin for 6 Rand. Let us start by writing the number sentence that describes the situation. We already know that she sells 12 muffins and gets 72 Rand. So, we start the number sentence by writing 12. Then we add the difference of 144 Rand and 72 Rand divided by the price of a muffin. Now, let us complete the number sentence by finding the answer. Remember to calculate what is inside the brackets first. On the number sentence with no brackets, divide first and then add. She sold 24 muffins. Solve the following number sentence by trial and improvement and by inspection. Open brackets question mark minus 4 close brackets plus 11 equals 21. Trial and improvement means finding the missing number by trying out different numbers until you reach the correct answer. Let us solve the problem using trial and improvement. Question mark is the missing number. Substituting is replacing one thing by another. In this case, we are going to substitute question mark by another number. Let us try 15 and substitute. Open brackets, 15 minus 4, close brackets, plus 11 equals 11 plus 11 equals 22. 15 is a bit big. Let us try 14 and substitute. Open brackets, 14 minus 4, close brackets, plus 11 equals 10 plus 11 equals 21. 14 is correct. Therefore, the missing number is 14. Inspection means finding the missing answer by checking each part of the number sentence until you reach the correct answer. Let us solve the same problem using inspection. Let us check each part of the number sentence. Therefore, open bracket question mark minus 4 close bracket equals 10, which means that question mark equals 10 plus 4 equals 14. Therefore, the missing number is 14. Now, let us check if the answer is correct by substitution. We are going to replace question mark by 14.
Need more help? Ask Maskey to make it easy. And let the maths finally start mathing.